Hey guys, Minor Gamer here, bringing you Dungeon Defenders. It's a pretty cool game. These are my characters, but I'm not going to use them. They are all level 100s, pretty much, except for two of them. I think some of them here. But that doesn't matter at the moment. Let's just get into create our character.
Down in his robe and wizard hat.
I have decided to go series easy.
Long ago.
Because it's just my favourite out of all of them. Now I can change skins to two of them. I can either be a bounty hunter or EV 1.5. I'm gonna go EV 1.5 because it can fly and I like something to fly in that thing. But yeah, let's just choose the colour. That's a nice colour. I'm gonna go freeze. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that. Roll. What kind of name's that? I know what name could put them actually. Mega. Minor. There we go. That's our character. There he is. Mega Minor. In this series, we're gonna be joined by Gamer. He's gonna be with us on this journey all the way up to the last level. We're gonna get our levels up to play different difficulties, but at the moment we'll have to start easy. But I'm gonna pause here and start the actual campaign in a minute because I need to get in a call with Night Slayer and get in a game with him too. So back in a minute, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. And here is Night Slayer Gamer.
Yeah, hey. Some damages.
I've just noticed, yeah, we have got the same skin. Are you serious? We're
Yeah.
brothers now. We're the same kind of thing, and we're brothers.
Yeah, brothers on the game.
I need to...
Yeah, we can fly.
Gonna up my hero's health. Right,
Yeah.
so anyway, let's get into the game, guys. Let's
Yes.
start this adventure. As
Yes.
I said, it will be on easy to start us off because we haven't got good enough weapons to take on medium, hard,
Yeah.
and insane.
Yeah, we're playing the deep world here, so.
Don't need the cutscene.
Yeah, we don't need that whole storyline for this. It's a bit pointless.
If you want to see it, you can obviously just watch it on YouTube. Pause this video.
Let's go. Dude, look at my face.
Right, I'll get these two chests, you get them two.
Yeah,
Did you see my bullets go over there?
yeah. Got exactly the same as well, same bullets as well. Well, little laser beams. So we're definitely twins on the game. We've got the same colour and the same laser beam. Or laser, whatever you call it.
Well, we are brothers.
Yeah.
Well, we've been cloned.
Yeah, I'm here.
Right, my defences are up and I'm ready to
Yeah.
start. I've readied up.
Alright, let's do this. So, these all look like the enemies.
You just gotta kill whatever comes out these gates, to be honest. That's really the point of the game. You gotta place defences to protect the crystal, what is up there. If they destroy the crystal, then you've lost.
Yeah. So we got to survive
So the whole
5
point-
waves.
So it's more action, adventure-y, and
Oh.
strategy all in one, which is pretty cool.
There we are.
These are pretty decent ammo, actually.
Yeah, they do.
Look at me, I'm flying
I'm a level
like a
up.
pretty bird.
I'm a level 2 now, so it's just up my damage and my speed.
I've just upped my defense damage. That's
Oh,
all.
face, look at it. Oh. Anyway.
Give me your chest money. Alright.
Also, we can equip some of these. Let's just get them. So we're going to equip some armor.
Let's put some beams up here, because I think more will spawn out of here this bit, won't they? Those big ones.
Yeah. Oh, they put them up now. We don't need to do that. Forgot all about that.
You do the top side up there.
Yeah, I've done that.
Whee!
Just for the
Right.
damage here, I'm going to put some. Oh, I need 40. Ah, mine's over there. Just pick it up.
This could be the new bird.
Yeah.
We could be the new birds.
Yeah, well, I like kind of jet things, this kind of skin, because I like that jet wings at the back. If you can see them, because they do look a bit like jet wings.
They're solar panels, though, aren't they? Oh, you talk about the wings? Yeah.
Yeah, the wings. Yes, are you ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
I'm readied up.
I got a different gun. Okay. Let's find out how much damage this does. Oh, it does 27. Really nice there.
Wait, you got another weapon?
Yeah, I found it on the floor.
Whoa, how many? Oh, you got archers.
No, leave me alone. This is hard. Come on, we gotta kill them.
Die.
Oh no, but it doesn't have as much ammo. Jump over. It's only have like 14 ammo. That's terrible. Die. Come on. Thank you. I'll help you there.
Reload.
They'll kill it. No, you aren't.
Die.
Right, I need a better weapon. It does some damage, but maybe if I can upgrade it, it's not how much damage it does, just how much ammo it has.
Item box. Let's see what I've got.
So because hero info. Yes, we can upgrade, so I'm just gonna. How much?
I'm gonna give myself a pet. Look at him.
So, just gonna do shots per second.
Can I equip anything?
Oh yeah, that'll do. So I'll
Doesn't
do.
look like it. Wait, I can equip this. Can I equip anything else? Anything else? What's better? Anything else? No?
Are you ready then? I'm just gonna press it. My press.
To get 2 weapons as an EV.
Yeah, just so those things really don't do much damage. So we don't have to worry about.
Whoa, that my dragon does like 100 and something damage. That does 26. That does 20.
I'll have to get mine. Yeah, but it's only 5, so anything that's 5 proof won't work. You're gonna press G then start?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'll get this side again.
Die!
Die, ugly monster.
Oh god!
I'll get over here then.
Yeah, die. Come on, kill them. Yes, dragon. You're such a badass. Badass dragon in town.
This is good. Oh, no, didn't get you then. Didn't see you. I'm gonna put a laser on a photon beam. Right, that's okay. Still not leveled up yet to level 3.
Hero speed and hero damage. Level 3. Oh, you're not level 3.
Not yet.
Well, we are a mega miner. We belong in these caves to mine.
Alright, I'm gonna start.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Well, I'm making sure that nothing can go and destroy anything here.
Okay. Do what you think you need to do.
Yeah, I've done it.
I'm placing another beam here.
That's okay.
Anywhere else? I need to place a beam. Just place one here for protection.
Hang on. Oh yeah, with the EV, you can have 2 weapons, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's cool about this character. You can hold up to 2 weapons instead of 1. For example, look, actually, let's get them.
Whoa, what is that? I need
So
to
I'm
be a
gonna
level
put-
74. A mythical electric orb.
So I've got weapon here, see look, so when I press X, I've changed now.
Oh yeah, the portal gun.
Yeah, we don't need them. We're not going to use modded stuff in this.
It's not really a mod, is it?
No, we got it off a mod.
Yeah, but still use it. Doesn't matter if you got
I'm
it.
not going to use anything OP in this. It's going to find the weapons on the floor, but we can have a portal gun.
Oh, look at this. I found this thing out my box.
Why don't you
Look.
go there?
Die.
We got over there with it as well. Oh, they're all
Yeah.
dying. Yeah, I'm up a level now. Reload.
Kill him, dragon. Kill that ogre. There you go, he's dead. Well, it's not the actual ogre in the game, really, is it?
There we are.
The actual ogres in the game are just annoying.
Yeah, really
We'll
big.
get introduced in that to them in the next level.
Yeah. Alright,
Level
I'm
4. Right, I'm gonna up my beam health and my hero speed. I need to up my like shocks, beam stun time and my beam damage rate and stuff like that. So the speed beam damage rate is
Yeah, I'm gonna press G.
G.
Alright, let's do this.
It's the last round, I've just realised.
Yep, and then we'll have to finish the video.
Oh yeah, for the next level.
Yeah.
Put that helmet on.
Go on, reload.
Die.
Die.
I'm gonna run out of juice in my jetpack. Just get back up in the air again.
Alright, they're all dead there. Oh, I forgot about that. 7. So this is what this looks like. It's pretty big.
Die. Well, that's the wave complete.
Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Alright,
Very fun.
look at me. If you press Q, you can see what you look like. I'm on level 5 now.
So am I. Let's up my beam damage rate.
So, I hope you have enjoyed this video of my first time on this channel playing Dungeon Defenders. Still different games to come, like probably PlanetSide 2 we're going to be playing. I'm getting
Yeah.
shot in the face here, painful.
Die!
Right, so,
It was just like you're missing me.
so here we are.
Got
So,
mode.
if you've
Die.
enjoyed this game, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a big fat like, that'll be appreciated. And subscribe to me and Minor Gamer for more fun videos like this. Well, in your opinion, this has been a fun video. Don't know if it's been a fun video for you.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah.
you've enjoyed this, guys out there. This is pretty fun.
Alright, so,
So I'll see you next time.
yeah, right, so, bye.
Minor Gamer out.